Hello out there, boys and girls, and welcome here into the video. Yeah, I haven't realized because I just have to cook. Today it's only be a normal video like before. I go and think a little, and I still got, I would call it serious problem. I still got serious problem about my channel because this year in March, YouTube changed. This year in March, something happened. YouTube changed something in their setting, and it hurts my channel a lot. I lost lots of viewers. That time I maybe have 400 or 500 viewers on every time I upload a video. Now I am now on only 35 or something like that. Yeah, I am happy about the 35 viewers, but I'm really sad I lost that big amount of viewers. I have made a vote on my channel. If you please go in and vote there and tell what you like to see here at the channel, it will help me a lot. Now it's time for my little simple dinner. That was a little fast sandwich with the fish patty for today. I hope you enjoyed to see the video. If you do me a big favor, give it a thumbs up. It's important for the video, so I can have benefit from it too. But for now, it's time to check out. See you next time in the video. Bye for now.